Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. What's up, my man? Malovi. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. Can you tell me, is the stream good? Can you see everything? Also, if someone else is here, you're always welcome to say hi, so I know you're there. Damn. We will see. Say hi. We will see. Nice. Good. How are you, man? All good? How is everyone? I'm really excited for the thing. We will see what Shopify has to offer this edition. Also pretty hyped, I think. I looked into LinkedIn. A lot of people are hyping it up, so we will see. Do you have like any predictions, or what do you think will they be doing? Hello, Ignesh. I hope I pronounced these names right. All good? David, what up? Yo. Good. Oh, wait, you hear me? So 2 times? Good. Oh, damn. 2 times. Not quite sure. Why though? No, that's not that. That's also not this. Good question. Wait a second. Working fine. So wait, do you hear me double or? Ah, okay, good. I was like, what? Okay, but like actually my laptop is like making airplane sounds now. So I hope he can do this with the streaming. But yeah, we will see. 10 more minutes. And then we unpack this bad boy here. Really crazy. Also, I saw on LinkedIn there's like a lot of people are doing like the watch parties and stuff. I think we have to like make this a thing and then make this big. Like next time I want to make it bigger and then bigger. We will see. But what is everyone up to? Good day. Like Marlov. Is it? Am I pronouncing it right? I hope so. What time is it now for you? I mean for David in Shapes, I know. Because I think for German people it's pretty fine the time now when they're dropping it. It's like 3 p.m. Pretty good time. Oh, where are you currently? Cyprus. Easy peasy. Nice. Right now or forever? Almost 9. I mean 9 p.m. is also... I mean you can do this, but at least it's not in the middle of the night. Pretty good. Move to Cyprus. Nice. Good thing. And Shapes is visiting me. I'm a little bit jealous. A little bit. Nice. So 1 hour, yes. What are you waiting for? It's actually 8 more minutes. So it's on. So I did the live stream thingy a little bit earlier, but it is actually on, like, it's on point, like on the hour. So it's like 8 more minutes. But I just wanted to check everything before going in here. Also music. How is the music? Is it... I think should be fine, right? Can I do it a little bit louder? Brazil, bom dia. 9:52, also good. Nice, from Brazil. Abdul from, I think Bangladesh, right? We talked about this. All good, my man. And also, what is IST? Is it in... What is IST time? India, awesome. But it's still like good times. But like not in the middle of the night. Also Dave in Cyprus, 27 degrees. Pretty nice, man. Yesterday I was in Berlin, in Germany. It was like 22. It was warm for me, man. Okay, so Bangladesh and India is pretty much the same time zone. Got it. Yeah. Alright, yeah. So it's 5 more minutes. I'm currently on the website. Coming soon. I have the sound on. And I can just like flip this, so I'm not quite sure what's happening on 3 p.m. or like on the point of the hour. We will see. But it's nice that you tuned in, so we will see. Shape looks like Mr. Krabs right now. Man, he's a German potato. Like no wonder he's looking like a crab right now. I'm pretty brown actually, so I don't get sunburned that quickly, luckily. As a Shopify developer, how many hours do you work? Good question. Currently, I focus more on the community, like the Discord and stuff, and on YouTube videos. So it's like hard to track because I don't track it. But the times I worked for clients, so I'm a little bit chaotic person. So I'm not good at tracking hours and stuff, and I like to have a good balance. So I think maybe like really concentrated work, because I'm distracted easily, maybe like 3 or 4 hours, because I'm not the kind of guy who wants to make as much money as possible by working as much as possible. I just like to have a good balance, and 3 or 4 hours like concentrated work roundabout. But it's hard to say because sometimes I worked on Sundays because clients wanted to have something on the weekends, and it's like, yeah, it's like blurry. I cannot really say how much I work, but not too much, just that I have some free time also. Let's go, my man. Open Flash, my man. All good? Or woman? I don't know. Dave, I thought it was cool that I just got your YouTube video suggested on ChatGPT. Have you tried recreating that again? Yeah, so actually, fun fact, one of my YouTube videos got suggested on ChatGPT when David tried to like ask a question. Really nice. But I couldn't recreate it actually, which is like a little bit sad because it would be like cool. How do you say, like, it's not search engine thing, but rather, I don't know, AI engine exposure, that my video gets recommended, but I couldn't recreate it, no. But a cool thing nevertheless, so pretty nice. Are you hourly based, project based? Are you hourly based or project based? I'm both. Depends on the thing. Like, I often tell my hourly rates, but in the end, I always tell project prices. I mean, with this, you can leverage a little bit more of like you only have 24 hours in a day, right? And you cannot, there's always like a threshold on how much you can earn money. So I try to give project prices so I can leverage my prices, you know, like, so instead of saying, oh, I worked 2 hours for this is now 2 times my hourly rate, I can say, oh, this costs because, and then you have to think, okay, how much do I need for it? What is the value for the client, etc., etc. So, but I have both, depends on the client. And yes, SEO in AI will be a huge thing, I think, in the future. We will see. But yeah, pretty cool. If you can recreate it again, let me know. I'm gonna check it out. But I couldn't do it, and I think Henrik also couldn't do it, unfortunately. All right, 2 more minutes. Like I said, I'm not. I don't know what's happening. If I have to, I try to reload from time to time. Maybe something else will happen. Also, already 6 other editions, so this will be the 7th one. Yeah, still nothing. But I mean, this looks like a vinyl or a CD or something. So maybe when I click it, in a minute then a vinyl comes out and we can watch a film or something. We'll see. And also pretty cool, like different countries. We have Brazil, India, Germany, Cyprus. Marlov, you're from Mexico, right? And Polish, what's up? I'm a full stack developer. Now I want to move to Shopify development. Do you have any guide for me? Of course, my man. You can always join my... Are you in my Discord community? We can talk about this later, but just follow YouTube and Discord and we can figure this out so that you can do a good transition for this. So before answering the more questions, it's like point 3 now. So, oh, okay. So wait, we stop the questions now. We do it later, maybe. And because here's something now. So let's open the new Shopify Editions. Are you ready? Horizons. Yeah. Are you ready? Then I hope so, because I click open now and then we will see what will be happening. And we can do questions later on. So the Q&A. So get your questions. We can do it afterwards. So let's go. Open. Okay. Horizons. Whoa. By the way, I can, if you also want to check it out, I can put it in the stream, but you can also come in here. Horizons, new theme foundation and Vibe Ready dev platform. Oh my god, Vibe Ready. We will see. Sidekick gets smarter in 20 languages and a redesigned POS, build AI shopping agents, access Shopify global catalog, manage multiple business entities and payout currency. So there's a lot of stuff going on. I mean, we look at everything a little bit, but for us, the most important part, of course, is the dev changes. So we will see. Bring your vision to life with Horizon. Horizon is our new design foundation, harnessing the power of theme blocks for total flexibility. Marlov, that's, I think, your thing. The theme blocks, you're the theme blocks geek, so we will see. Damn. Okay, so easily nest blocks into existing sections to create custom layouts. Okay, maybe we have custom theme blocks now in all sections. We will see. Eye-catching components like scrolling marquees added with a click. So still like theme block stuff. Yeah, so we go through everything and then later developer is our nice thing we want to look at. Customize product cards, add, remove or drag and drop into your ideal setup. Sure. Still theme blocks. I think this just explains theme blocks, etc. Pretty nice so far. I mean, we have theme blocks, but maybe it's like more advanced now. We will see. One system. 10 new themes. Start with beautiful designs, optimized to convert and customize from there. Visit theme store. Pitch, vessel, heritage. Oh, saver. Okay, so we have 10 new themes. I want to quickly check theme store, Horizons. Yes, so maybe 10 more free themes. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of the free themes other than Dawn, but maybe we can also look in these later or in a separate video even. We will see. All right, okay, nice. Generate blocks. Okay, maybe Shopify developers will be redundant soon. No jokes, we will see. Build custom theme blocks, just say what you want and AI makes it real. Okay. So we can, wait, maybe we can. Generating theme blocks, blah, 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 blah. Blocks. Okay, maybe we have to check this out later. Generate theme block. When we go to themes, find the theme you want to add and click customize. Customize your homepage or tap the homepage drop down menu, blah, blah, blah. Click the section you want to generate a block for. Click add block. Click generate. Okay, wait, I have to quickly test this out. This will be, I mean, good for clients. For us, we will see how good this even works. Wait, let's do it real quick. I'm curious. Let's go to my test theme. Give the image banner, add block. I mean, yeah, maybe I don't know if it's already click add block. I did this, or maybe it's with the theme blocks thingy. Okay, we will figure this out later. Pretty cool though. I have it open still. Maybe you can also try it out. Generate themes. God damn it. Design your store in seconds. Describe your brand and generate a personalized theme. I think I already tried this out. Yes, like I'm in the theme editor, but I'm not quite sure. Yeah, maybe I have to try it another time. Wait, so it says design your store in seconds. Describe your brand and generate a personalized theme. Add theme. Yes. I don't know. Maybe I have to update something or they will publish it later. Design your store in seconds, describe your brand and generate a personalized theme. I don't see... I saw it somewhere, but... Add theme? Visit theme store? No. Popular free themes. I mean, the new themes are already in here, but no option to do this. But I don't think this is a crazy good feature. We will see, because they look like pretty much just like the same. Maybe this is something we have to try it out. Also, I will do like videos on all of these stuff. I just want to like scrape it now. A better editor. The theme editor has tons of built-in improvements, so you can stay in creative flow. Yeah, I mean, this is just how about to preview in block picker. Categories for blocks and sections. App block generation. One-click text editing. Simplified sidebar with conditional settings. We have conditional settings already. Sections collapsed by default. Right-click for all shortcuts. Custom names for blocks and sections. Copy and paste blocks and sections. Richer predictive search. More interactive product cards. This kind of good. Okay. Still like themes. I mean, this is for merchants pretty nice. Yeah. We have to, I mean, there you can see it. There's like, when you click on it in the video, it says generate, etc., etc. So maybe this is not for, maybe this is for blocks that accept custom blocks. And I don't think I have, I mean, I have it somewhere, like a custom section, but not in here. We have to figure this out. Good for merchants though. Sidekick. A smarter, more powerful sidekick. I mean, I don't use Sidekick, to be honest, because I'm not a merchant. But I guess, yeah, nice. 20 new languages. Sidekick image generation. Good for merchants. I mean, not really nice for me because I don't have a shop. But you still can tell your clients and stuff what you can do now. Sidekick on mobile. Sidekick screen share with voice chat. Yeah, I guess. Retail. Yeah, also not really important for us. It's POS. Custom branding for POS. Yeah, I mean POS. We don't use it. If you use it, check it out. Check out flat rates for split shipping. Charge customers a single flat rate when fulfilling from multiple locations to reduce unexpected shipping. Because, I mean, it's good to know, so you can always tell your clients what they can do now. I never had a problem with this. I never had clients that had multiple locations and stuff. So, but I guess it's a good thing. And Shopify checkout in Roblox. I don't play Roblox, but I heard Roblox is a pretty big game like Minecraft. So good, I guess, for Shopify. Really nice. Yeah, Canada. Thank you. And order says upgrade guide. Maybe this is a thing that's interesting for you because Abdul already had problems with the... Okay, I mean, upgrade guide. It was the same as last year with the checkout. It told you what you had to do to upgrade it. Also, maybe we have to do a video on upgrading thank you and order status pages. because as you know, they're not supporting the additional scripts anymore. I can also not show it because I never had it in my test store. Whereas like the additional stuff, now you also have to use checkout UI or webpixel or customer events. So yeah, faster checkout loading. I mean, where's these numbers coming from? I don't know. They just say it. Nice. Deliver options for unavailable items. Give customers more options when items are unavailable at their default address. Yeah. Fresh updates sent. Buy now? Oh yeah. Oh, if you didn't know, there's a shop for developers that Shopify has. I also have the Shopify keyboard. Pretty good. Okay. Enhanced fraud prevention, carbon neutral shipping. Yes. More merchant stuff. More ways to offer. Apple Pay now integrated. Nice. Update unlocked June 12th. Check back for this update to be revealed. Sure, let's do this. We get notified and see what this is. Submit. Awesome. Global. Shopify payments in 6 more countries. Nice. Setting from multiple business entities. Nice, I guess. Payouts in multiple currencies. Yeah, still merchant stuff. I think this is all still merchant stuff. Updates to region markets. I mean, also good for your clients. I think they get more advanced with like how to edit markets and do stuff also in editor. But this is like not mainly what we are looking at. Customer accounts works with markets. Yeah, this is all good. If you have clients, just read through it and you can tell them what they can do now. Marketing is also not our thing. One discount for multiple savings. Create a single discount that can be applied across products, orders, and shipping with select discount apps. Not quite sure. Update Shopify QL segment editing. Yeah, also not our thing. Need an escape drive. It's like a mini game, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, so you can play this. Okay, we don't do this now. But you can play it. Also, metafill sync in forms. Maybe metafill sync with forms. Sounds like a thing if you're using Shopify forms. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. Still not a merchant. Collapse mobile, blah, blah, blah. Marketing, shop app. Yes, shop app. So I would say just read through this if you want to check it out, because this is like really client heavy, etc. Catalogs, VAT number. Oh, VAT number validation for EU and UK. This is good because you always had to use a app for this, I think. So now you can check it here. Maybe you can use this later. Min max order limits. This is all still B2B. Yeah, B2B is also, it's like Shopify Plus. Depends on what your clients are, if they are on Plus. Shipping, pick list in admin, print pick list by product. Yeah, this sounds all good, but I'm not quite sure if this is transfer tracking for multiple shipments, consolidate view for delivery methods. Sure. Flat rates, more logistic partners. Yeah. Operations, refund to store credits. Okay, cool. Tap to pay on mobile, cool. Streamlined navigation on mobile. Super cool. Yeah, okay, like I said, read everything for yourself from retail to operations, because it's not really targeting our work. Themes we have to go back later, and now comes the good part. So, let's see. Developer. Next gen developer platform. Start building on our latest platform that makes it easier to quickly build high quality apps with less code. Now in early access. Read dev code. Wait, do they have a own code editor for for apps. Next-gen dev platform. The next-gen dev platform is not yet generally available. Currently, access to these tools and features is limited. Okay, so it's better. Shopify's next-gen dev platform provides app developers with tools and features to streamline app development. Some tools that were previously only available to Shopify partners are now available to all app developers, including merchants. This includes the ability to create apps, manage development stores, and access developer tools directly from the Shopify admin. Create apps, improved app dev command. So I'm not app dev is not my main thing. I mean, I did create apps and stuff, so I have to check this out a little bit further. Maybe someone from the community has like a better hang of this, what this can do, because I know you can create apps and stuff from the admin already, from the Shopify partner admin. But sounds like a cool thing, I guess. Create apps, because how could you just create a new app in the app dashboard? So maybe you can, when we go back, maybe you can do something crazy with it. We have to look at it another time, I think. Oh, now it gets interesting. Vibe ready inner loop. Develop extensions end-to-end without having to deploy, build on local hosts without annoying tunnels, test in dev stores that simulate each Shopify plan, and pair with our assistant via MCP. I mean, this sounds pretty nice. Develop extensions. Because this is like, I did check out extensions, and I mean, it worked, but it was like a little bit janky. But this sounds like a thing. Test in dev stores that simulates, you can simulate each Shopify plan, pretty nice. And with the MCP, vibe ready inner, but I'm not quite sure where this is coming from still. Developer stores for every Shopify plan. Test your apps in dev stores with any plan. Okay, so maybe you can just like select now the plan. Re-engineered app dev. Build and test your complete app code and configuration in an isolated environment without deploying. This is nice because you always had to deploy changes. Now you can apparently do it in an isolated environment. Nice. Local development. Build apps and extensions without tunnels and get faster hot reloading using local hosts. Nice. So it's like good, like small details and updates, which makes it easier to develop apps. Pretty nice. Get AI assistance for GraphQL functions, Polaris, web components, and more. So if you're not using the Shopify Dev MCP server, I did a video on the how to use AI as a Shopify developer. I also explained how to install the MCP server, and it had only like 2 endpoints, which were like the documentation and GraphQL responses. Maybe they add stuff now. So I would definitely get MCP server for your development workflow. Good morning, man. Good morning from, oh no, like not good morning, good evening from Germany. We are already in the thing, so I hope you're not too late. Declarative custom data definitions. So, I mean, this is like still all app development. Use declarative custom data definitions to simplify the management and maintenance of meta fields and meta objects. Yeah, I cannot tell you a lot about this, but still seems like a good little detail they added for app developers. Direct API access for POS, simplified meta field and meta object settings. App-owned meta field access. I mean, I know that apps need app-owned meta fields and stuff, but yeah, nice. Polaris unified UI components. Build Shopify apps and extensions across admin, checkout, and customer accounts with a single standardized web component-based UI system. Use the Shopify Dev MCP server to accelerate building your user interface. I mean, I like that Shopify tries to unify like all components. For example, you want to have like a banner and text and a button and a drop down and stuff. But still, like at one point, everything looks the same. But I mean, they guarantee that everything works. So if you're an app developer, oh yeah, it's like everything is the same now. I mean, you don't have to think about design then, or maybe you have the option to stand out with design. So either way you go, if you want to like get the pre-built Polaris components or do it yourself. But I think this is a good way to go because everything is unified then, right? So yeah, sounds like a good thing. Now, storefronts. Now it gets interesting for me, at least. Storefront web components. Embed Shopify commerce features into any site with a few lines of HTML? Or is this a hydrogen thing? Try it. Add Shopify to any site. This is for scroll. So you can just use this on any other site. I guess. So if you, yeah, I mean, this is like headless, or maybe if you have like a different page on like WordPress or Webflow, that you can use these, maybe, I guess, and just like connect it to your Shopify store. I don't know. Storefront MCP, start building AI shopping agents for individual stores that can search products, answer questions about the brand, create cards, and initiate checkout. David says like an iframe, literally. Yes, I mean, it's nice, but I never worked outside of Shopify with Shopify stuff. Could be handy, but I guess cool, but I don't know a use case for this now because I never worked with external shops or external websites. So yeah. And here you can do your own MCP, storefront MCP. Can you do like a chatbot for your store? Connect any AI system to real-time commerce data from Shopify stores with MCP servers. Help customers search. Help customers. Start building now. Maybe you can. This is nice. Build a storefront AI agent. Build an AI agent that helps shoppers find products faster. This is nice. I think this could be a good thing if like you could propose this to your customers or your clients. You can tell them, oh, you can create a custom chat or bot for their website and then charge them X amount. And depending on how easy this is, you can just generate this and sell it to them, which is like pretty nice. I mean, there's like a couple of apps and tools for this already, but this seems like a more Shopify approach, more stable, and for you, a good opportunity to make some money, I guess. So I have to also dig into this. Sounds like a good thing. So storefront MCP, interesting. Shopify catalog. Use our global catalog to build applications and AI agents that can search product data from millions of businesses on Shopify. Add items to global cart. Add items to global cart coming soon. And integrate full feature checkout with checkout kit. So I mean, this combines. So really, really AI heavy. Yeah, awesome. I mean, I like it, but I'm not quite sure. I mean, I have to dive into this for sure, but AI is a big thing in this update. Discount codes in cart. Enable customers to buy discount codes directly in the cart when using the Horizon theme. Horizon theme. We have to go back to the Horizon theme later. So this is in the Ajax cart API. No third-party. Enable customers to apply discount codes directly in the cart. Nice. I mean, I have done this in the past, but maybe it's like more intuitive now that you can put discount codes in the cart now. Good thing. Skeleton theme and liquid improvements. Get started quickly with a new skeleton theme and use liquid doc. Static params, JavaScript and style sheet tag support for blocks to make coding easier. What is, do they replace Dawn? Skeleton theme. Or is this for building? This is for building. Ooh, skeleton theme. I have to check this out. Okay. AI first hydrogen cookbook, jumpstart your development with coding agents and get practical. Yeah, this is, I mean, I also didn't like dive into hydrogen yet. Also AI. Hydrogen runs on React Router 7. Cool. I don't know what this means, to be honest. Updated markets and catalogs APIs. Okay. For, I guess, good. If you're a hydrogen developer, check it out. Now, Shopify functions documentation, LLM enabled. Build functions and migrate away from scripts faster with the Dev Assistant and Shopify Dev MCP server. Still, check out the video on my how to use AI as a Shopify developer. I also explain how to install the MCP server because this seems to be a thing. So I would jump on this real quick. Okay, so this just helps you to write functions within Assistant or with the MCP. Pretty good. Tags IDs, update Shopify function references. Improved empty states, uncapped counts in GraphQL. Okay, yeah, so functions, a lot of changes, but like it's like hard to grasp what they actually do when you don't write functions like on a daily basis, but use the AI assistant and then, I mean, they just improved it somehow. Functions, WebAssembly query, API. Everywhere is like faster, easier, so just some, yeah, nice features they did on the functions. But nothing like breaking new, so yeah. Shopify Flow returns data with send HTTP request. The send HTTP request actually now supports returning data to use in Shopify Flow and can securely store and use credits such as API keys. This is nice because I had the thought yesterday of like building really complex automations, like in make.com, for example, if you know this, or Zapier, that we can just use Shopify Flow for this at one point, and this is like one step to make it. I mean, you still need to have the knowledge of a developer to use send HTTP request, but good thing. Maybe at one point you can build the whole automations with Flow, like really advanced ones. So nice. One discount for multiple savings. Offer a single discount that can be applied to products. I don't understand this, to be honest. Offer a single discount that can be applied to products, orders, and shipping. How does this work? Yeah, it's still like discount functions. I guess I have to get into their bulk data management in Shopify CLI. Move bulk data in and out and across Shopify environments using new CLI commands with a single SQL file. Yeah, I mean, I only understand half of it sometimes. So, okay. Growth. Simplified build for Shopify design requirements. Get build for Shopify status faster with a simpler, streamlined design requirements. Okay, good for app developers. The build for badge is like a good thing you need to have, so go check it out. I never released an app on the store, so you should definitely check out the build for like design rules and stuff to get the badge, because it's a thing actually. Improved build for Shopify email support. Yeah, still like supporting for if you're an app developer. They get you going. They also deleted a lot of reviews in the App Store, so I think they wanna like make something good for you. Mobile ads, app recommendations for larger merchants. I think they want to make your life easier. Go check it out. Developer growth. If you're an app developer and have an app that is like not running good, or maybe you want to run it better, check it out. I think they did some things for you. Okay, extensions. Localized extensions for customer accounts. Okay, I think they still have to do like a lot of work for the customer accounts because it's like really limited. Localizing should be a good thing. Molecular dev, nothing really good for theme developers. Yeah, unfortunately, I mean, not unfortunately, we have the new themes, and I guess maybe we have to switch to app development. We'll see, but I will give a summary in the end. Let's just check out the last thing here, the extensions. So localized extensions, attribute removal via UI extensions. Remove an attribute attached to the cart checkout instead of setting empty values for cleaner order data. I already used this at one point, so I think this should make this a little bit easier if you want to get some info via private properties or something that are attached to the cart. And remove and add them. Expanded payment extension capabilities. Create more payment extensions with broader capabilities, including multiple currencies, on-site QR codes. Okay. I'm still waiting for, something else. Never mind. iOS debugging UI extensions. This is nice. Inspect, debug, and optimize POS. Only POS? I mean, iOS debugging is always good, but print API for POS. Orders rerouted via API. Faster loading apps. Inventory transfers APIs. Yeah, I mean, a lot of stuff, I guess. If you are interested in something like this, then go check it out. For me, it's like hard to grasp. Print API. I never did something for POS. I never had clients that use POS. So yeah, check it out. All right, that's actually it, and a good game. So maybe you can play it later. Let's summarize this. I think for developers, like Marlo has already mentioned, it's like not a lot of stuff going on for theme developers. It's like really app heavy. So maybe this is the way to go in the next half year. We will see. So if you want to go into app development, do it now maybe. And of course, a lot of AI stuff. So jump on the AI train if you didn't do this already and check out the stuff. Like for me, it's like hard to say, like I said, stuff about Shopify app development because I never like really developed a whole app, but check it out. And other than that, we have, I mean, for theme developers, maybe like this, where you can build, but this is still also like app development, but I would definitely jump on this. So get to your client and tell them what you can do now and build some nice AI agents for them. Tools, Shopify Flow. Yeah, unfortunately, like nothing crazy for theme developers. If we quickly want to jump back to the themes though, because I think we have to jump into this topic of the theme. I mean, theme blocks is the only thing that is really interesting for the theme developers, to be honest. So we have to check out the themes. I will do this definitely in a separate video and check out what is like different about them and the generating block stuff, generating themes. I mean, this is also good for merchants. And but I think we as theme developers, we have to dive a little bit into what they tell us here, so we know what is going on and can tell the clients and adapt our code if there is any adaptation needed. Cool. But other than that, that's it. For merchants, super cool. App developers, super cool. Theme developers this time a little bit less. But yeah, go check it out for yourself. I will definitely check out, maybe recommendations. If you are a theme developer, check out the new themes and check out all the editor stuff that you can do now, and check if you need to change something in the code for this, because they didn't mention this. If you are an app developer, I would try to concentrate on like the building the AI agents. This sounds like a good thing, and check out all the AI tools they offer. So maybe your work gets easier. And if there's also emergent in here, check out, I mean, for merchants, it's crazy. Check out all the stuff, the AI generating thingies, and then, sell stuff, make some money, I guess, and play the game. Maybe we can do a high score battle later. So, JB, been using Shopify as a merchant for 12 years. Nice, man. And redesigning my themes since the beginning, and now trying my hand at app dev. Truly underwhelming. What do you mean by truly underwhelming? Do you mean the additions or doing app development? And also it's good. I mean, if you're still a merchant, then check out the stuff. I mean, it gets easier for merchants to build stuff on their own. And I would definitely check it out, what you can do here. And if you need help with app development, also I had a question earlier. I will post quickly the link to my Discord community in here. So if you want to join this, you're always happy to join the Discord community, because I have my YouTube and Discord community where you can ask your questions, where we help each other out. So if you want to join this, wait a second, I will just quickly generate a link. So you can go in here and ask your questions if you have any, and then we help you out, because we have theme developers, app developers, everything in there. That new Horizons theme is fire though. Really? Yeah, I don't know, maybe. I definitely have to check it out. They didn't mention anything about the Dawn theme, so maybe they are even like replacing it. Horizon. I definitely have to check out the code for the Horizon theme if they did anything else, and it looks really nice. View demo store, and it's all AI generated for sure. Color swatches. It looks really clean. That's true. I have to get into this. Yeah, for sure. Editions. No B2B for non-plus yet, for example. This is shit. Exactly. Yes. I mean, Shopify Plus is the money. If you can use it, then, I mean, I have one B2B client, then it's like really nice. But if you have no Shopify Plus, then you're basically... Yes. Awesome. Code-based review. Yes, I will do some videos on this. I will try to think of something. Or maybe, yeah, do you have any recommendations? Okay, so code-based review would be nice. Do you have any other recommendations for videos I could do about this? What is like interesting for you? I will do this for sure. It comes in 10 variants. So wait, do you mean, wait a second, these are 10 variants? Or is the Horizon, you can, you have different layouts for it? Plus they mentioned AI is embedded, so perhaps in the theme. Okay, wait, let's do it like this. Try theme. Because maybe it's in there, because I didn't see it on my theme yet. Let's go in here. So yeah, if you have any video ideas, and if you have more questions we couldn't do in the beginning, you can ask for sure. We have some more time and then we can get to all the questions. In the meantime, if you want to stick around, I will check out the Horizon theme real quick with you. And yeah, I will close this for now and check out the features they mentioned here. The generate ball logs, for example. Oh, damn, wait. Horizon, let's just publish. No, let's just customize it. Okay, like pretty cool. Header. Ah, they already have custom, they already have blocks in here. Oh, and here they have the grouping of I think there has to be some like at least schema changes or settings changes that you can group them like this, or maybe they group it again via like name or something. Oh, there's so many blocks. That's crazy. Marlo, if you developed so long for the theme blocks, but the new Horizon theme, maybe they have everything already. Crazy. Okay, but I still don't have the... Maybe you have to publish it. Let me publish it real quick. Because there's still like no... Yeah, it's great for blogs. Definitely check out the Horizon theme. I will do something in there. Okay, wait, or maybe I have to put a block below here. I cannot generate. Variant picker block. Crazy. Product list. Yeah, this doesn't make sense. I guess. Maybe that version is in dev preview because I saw generating blocks with their AI. Okay, what I mean, I have a development store. Maybe I have to check it out. Did it work? Or was it working good? Yeah, I don't know. I have to check it out. Maybe if I find it, I will do a video about this. But Horizon theme looks pretty nice. And also the generate theme. Wait a second. Is Horizon replacing Dawn? It seems, I mean, I don't see a Dawn theme. Dawn. I mean, Dawn is still here. But they didn't mention anything about the Dawn theme, so I think they will replace it. Maybe. Or Dawn will become something else. I'm not quite sure. But Horizon is the new thing to go, apparently, after this editions. So we will do this, of course. And the other themes, yeah, I don't know. So what I want to do is I just quickly want to try to create a new development shop and check if then it works better. So create development store, test and build, Dev Editions, current release, developer. So should I do developer preview now? Let's do it. Standard discounts allocator. No, it should be the current release, right? Because you saw it already. Start with test data. Let's just try it. And we will see if we have the new feature. I think it will be replaced if Dawn doesn't adapt to theme blocks. Yes, I mean, they could have taken the Dawn theme and just adapted, but they decided to create a different theme. Maybe because Horizons also sounds cooler. And then we created... Wait, what is the new... Okay, still the Dawn theme in here. So this apparently is still the standard theme when you create a store. Good to know. Let's add the Horizon now. And then check it out again. If it doesn't work, then I have to check it out another time. For sure. Or maybe you can tell me if this is a good thing. Maybe AI Biscuit. Did you try it? Was it good? Or was it shit? Image slider. So we are still here, Dawn. Yeah, Dawn is still the main theme that gets added to the store when you create something. Okay. Now Horizon, customize. Let's go to the product card again. Last test. Afterwards, if this doesn't work, I will do a development preview theme. If this doesn't work, then yeah, let's give it up. Create development store. Test and build additions test to developer preview. Let's just take flex sections because I love flex sections. This will come hopefully soon. I will also do a video about this. Create a developer. So I now have developer preview. Okay. I haven't tried it yet. Maybe they will roll. I mean, the editions are live. Maybe they will roll it out today or tomorrow. Because it would be also like not a good thing if this would be relying on. Oh wait. Now it's the Horizon theme in the developer preview. I think Horizon is replacing Dawn, because now in the development theme, Horizon is the standard theme. Interesting. So we saw this at least, and maybe now also the AI things work. But still no generating themes. Because you could apparently also do this. You can generate whole themes, but there's still no option. Okay, last chance. Yes. Okay. I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's like, maybe I had bad luck. It's only like specific stores that get it and then they roll it out slowly. But I cannot show you, unfortunately. But the Horizon theme is now the standard theme in the developer theme, at least. What is flex sections? That's a good video idea. It is actually, like, it would build up on my theme blog. So first of all, for anyone who's still watching, let's go in here. And first of all, watch the dev guide video to know how to use AI and the Shopify Dev MCP, because this got mentioned a lot in the editions. Then for you, check out the theme blocks page builder video, because I mean, you have theme blocks and flex sections. You get like style settings for theme blocks. So maybe if you used page builders before, you can say, oh, there's a padding, then there's a margin, then make the corners round, like style settings. And flex sections is basically globalized style settings. You can give theme blocks, and if they roll out this, then you have a fully functioning page builder, because then you can get the content and the layout. And the flex sections is the layout that is then like globalized, etc. Really nice. So I can do a video about this, because it's still in developer preview, but they will release it soon, of course. Might as well start studying Horizon. Do that. I will put, so I have some video ideas. I think the Horizon video will be next, because I want to be fast. Horizon video should be good. It's the new model on how themes should be built the way Dawn was. So they have made 10 themes as examples to theme devs. Okay, sure. Then go for Horizon, forget Dawn. No one gives a fuck about Dawn anymore. Just go Horizon now. Yes. And I will do a video on this. Okay, but still no AI agent thingy. So yes, that's for later. Okay, so last chance, video ideas. I have now code review for the Horizon theme, and just check it out. And flex sections for sure. By the way, next video will be the card API. If someone has trouble with using the card API, I do a whole guide on the card API. I will be dropping this week or next week. So yeah, check it out. And do you have any more questions? Because in the beginning I had some questions here. I couldn't answer them all. So if you want to ask your questions, let's do 10 more minutes. And if everyone is satisfied, we can also end it now, because this was the Shopify Editions live reaction and analysis. Crazy, right? Yes. Next time we do it again. Can you create a video about snippets, when to use it and how? I mean, snippets, I can do this, but I mean, snippets is a pretty easy concept. I mean, do you know what snippets are? Because apparently you can just use snippets when, I mean, I use snippets when I have repetitive liquid code, basically. And I just put everything in there. And if I have to use, like, for example, you have 10 lines of code that you use on the product page, and the same thing you use on the collection page, and the same thing you use in the cart, just put everything in a snippet, then render the snippet 3 times, because when you have to change something about the snippet, then you have to just change it 1 time. But that's basically everything you need to know about snippets. I can also make you a loom real quick, because I don't know if I can do a whole video on this. But just remember, if you have to use something multiple times, same code block in Liquid, just create a snippet and then render the snippet, and of course take the attributes. So if you, for example, have a product card snippet and one time you want to use a quick add to cart button on the product page, and on the collection page you don't want to use it, then just put a variable true or false, and so you can control the snippet itself with the attributes instead of just like writing different codes everywhere. So yeah. The card API one would be fun. Yes. Also pretty long. I can show you. It's already in the making. Will be like a guide, 30-40 minutes. I explain like everything, how to add, how to remove, how to change stuff, and the different approaches. And yeah, this will be really fun. Yeah, it's pretty long. I have to cut it also. Okay, wait, like now my thing is crashing, so I think I'm just closing this again and don't show you. Yes, never mind. You didn't saw anything. It just crashed my laptop. Are you sure you can cover it in one video only? I can, my man. I can do this. If you have more questions later, you can always tell me that I lied to you. Would it be a good idea to become a Shopify developer now, specifically with the rise of AI? Absolutely, yes. I mean, AI is still the beginning of stuff, and this is just, I mean, AI is evolving rapidly, but it's still not at that point that it can replace anyone in our space. And you will always need to have, what the fuck is going on here? You will always need to have developers that can fix like the errors of AI. And I mean, a lot of people try vibe coding now, and you see how much errors and stuff. So definitely not. You should still start, because you always need to have people that know what they're doing and don't fuck up the stuff. So yeah, and what Shopify is doing here, AI is built to help us, not to replace us. I mean, yeah, I mean, you can generate a theme here. Will this be a good theme? No, it will be not a good theme. Will it be the theme of your dreams with all the features you want to have? No, it will be not the theme of that. The same with generate blocks. I'm not quite sure how this will work out, but you will always have to have developers that need to work out stuff. So yes. Since I'm new at the app dev side of things, do you have any videos for a quick, reliable tunnel flow for initial OAuth? I'm sorry, my man, I'm not the biggest app developer there is, but we have some app developers in the community. I will later post the link again. So the best thing would be come in there, ask your question, and then we can work the stuff out. I could also work it out for you, but initially I'm not super expertise with app development yet. But we could figure something out for you for sure. Yeah, some app dev videos too would be cool. Also meta objects. Yeah, I mean the app dev, I want to get to this when so for now it's like a lot of stuff going on. Like I want to try the YouTube stuff, community stuff. I need to still make money somehow. I built a course currently. I built an academy so I can teach you. If you have like more in-depth questions and stuff, this will be also paid for sure. This is like my main goal, to have like this big academy where I can teach you like really in-depth concepts, and then I will also dive into app development. But yet it's like unfortunately not the highest priority. But still, in the community we have good people there, so yeah. I saw everything. Nice. Awesome. Next time you can jump in again, I would be really happy. Is there a downside if I don't use snippets, or you'll just be writing more code? Yes, it's a downside to not use snippets. I would definitely use snippets for sure. It makes your life much, much easier. I don't have an example right now, but I use snippets a lot. You should do it. Abdul, at all guys, we should share Bozy YouTube channel and Discord so that others can join and learn new things with Bozy. This would be really cool. I don't expect anything from you guys, but I'm always happy about the support, and I really care that you care. I really like it. But my main goal is that you learn stuff. That is my main goal, and I'm happy with everything, but I don't expect anything. Just enjoy the content. AI just generate a overcomplicated code or just dumb prompt? Yes. So for example, I'm using, so Abdul, thank you, of course, for the message. Yeah, and for using AI, like sometimes it's really shit what it is doing. Sometimes I have to scream at AI because it's just doing weird stuff. So yeah, don't worry, we are not getting replaced anytime soon. Maybe in 50 years or so, but until then we are all rich because we made a lot of money working like this. Also headless with hydrogen, for sure. Like I want to dive into everything, but I have to figure out some stuff first, like where to go with my thing. The main goal is how do I want to make money in the future? That is my main decision point right now. And I have to figure this out, and then I can distribute my time and private life. I like my private balance. Like I'm not a workaholic. I mean, sometimes I am, but I love private time. I love doing sports a lot, cook myself, my food, be with my girlfriend. So there's also life, private and real life stuff, of course. But yes, hydrogen at development. Okay, guys. So again, I will post the Discord community thing in here. If you have more questions or want to talk to me or to us, just go there, ask your questions. For everyone who's doubting how to learn, what to learn, should I become, etc., you should, and we help you, I help you. Just contact me anywhere, and the next videos will be coming out. I will look at the Horizon theme. App developers will be the rich people of this year, and that was my last words. Thank you so much for joining. It's like a lot of people. Yeah, it's crazy how this community is growing. I just started this the beginning of the year, and I appreciate it. I appreciate that everyone is joining and chatting and commenting. I really like it, and I hope I can give you something back. Can we have a peek of the progress, or still a secret of this academy? Okay, let's do a quick peek, but then, I mean, thank you for going over everything. Of course. I thank you for joining. Okay, so last thing I want to do, just like quick, I mean, I don't know if it's even ready to show because I'm not good at designing, so it looks like shit. But I can show you some concepts maybe. And by the way, I built this course platform, the academy, I built with Shopify. So the Shopify shop is the academy, which is crazy. I'm really proud of this. Okay, build the shop. So what my idea is to give like an academy where you have pre-built paths. For example, become a Shopify developer, become a Shopify app developer, I don't know, become a Shopify CRO manager, but everything has to do with dev. So we have these pre-built things. And then, I mean, I have also the small modules, how to learn HTML, how to learn CSS, how to learn Liquid, how to use the card API. And you can just like pick and add, so you can build your own path basically. And then I want to have like additional content, exercises, etc. But I want to start first with like 3 or 4 basic modules and then build up on this. And the cool thing is, like I said, don't judge the design. It's basically just the Dawn theme for now. But I will have so you will log in, of course, then you have all your courses. Yeah, it looks like shit. Just like quickly show. And if you have the course, then you can click on it. And I don't know if you know Codecademy, because I learned developing with Codecademy in 2020. And they have like this live code editor, and I just loved the idea. And basically I have then, so this is the Liquid Basics course. Maybe not interesting for a lot of you, but this is the Liquid Basics course where you learn everything about Liquid. And then you have your chapters and lessons, and you can complete this. And basically you can just go in here and everything is explained with videos or images or text. And then you also have the code editor where you can run your code inside your browser. So you don't have to open anything. You can just code here. And then I explain everything, and then I have like tasks, so you can learn and instantly write your code and try it out and what is happening. And then if you are done, you can click next and you come to the next lesson, and at one point you can complete the module, etc. So this is like a sneak peek of just like Liquid Basics course I work on now and the platform, and yeah, it will be really cool. And then you can basically at one point go to the collection page and you have all the modules, and then you can buy them. And I want to give like bundle this, etc. So yes, just like a quick peek. Yes, will be nice. When is the next live stream? Live streaming, is this a thing you would like? I did live streaming at the end of last year. I streamed building a theme from scratch, but it was like so much time I stopped currently, but I can come back if this is a thing. This is also here the first video, Shopify theme basics in architecture, coding a theme. So this is like a summary of my first streams, and here on my live you can also see the streams I did. Yeah, but maybe I have to redo it because some streams are like broken, unfortunately. So yeah, but if you are into live streams, give me ideas. I like the ideas. I just want to give you the content that you want. So yeah, it's crazy how you managed to create that in Shopify. It is crazy, but you can do a lot of stuff with Shopify. For example, I can show you just real quick. Also, yeah, wait, later. So basically everything is built on meta objects, which is crazy. And the code editor is, yeah, you can do crazy stuff. So each lesson is basically a page, and you can build everything with Shopify. So it's really diverse. Yes. Maybe I can do a video on this at one point too. I was thinking the same thing. That looks awesome in Shopify. Yes. I see it every day, but yeah, it's crazy. You can just build a code editor. I mean, this is a Shopify shop. You see, it's the Shopify. It's not like an external or Hydrogen. It's a Shopify shop, and I build a code editor inside of here, and I have a navigation for all my lessons, and you can jump from lesson to lesson and still have the card drawer on the side, which is funny. And you can copy the code here and paste it here, and then you can write code in here, and you can assign Oh, wait, you can assign variable to hello world, and then you can output the variable and it says hello world. Oh wait, I missed the thing. So yeah, pretty cool. Everything in the Shopify shop, so you can do stuff. And by the way, I also, just like some advertising, of course, if you want to be updated on the Shopify Academy, wait a second. I don't even have a name yet, so I just have this landing page which is the password page of the Shopify shop. Funny. So you can go in here and sign up. I also have a survey attached when you sign up, so you can fill out the survey and give me insights on what you want to have what you want to learn, so I can see and figure out what the best thing is you want to do and you want to learn. So yeah, check it out, sign up, and you get updates from me when everything is ready and steady to go. Also, you get some discounts if you are fast and the first ones. Could you do a video on how to connect your Shopify code to Git and version control? Yes, I will do this for sure. I will also show this. GitHub is a big thing. As you can see, I have all my clients and stuff in here. I have 70 repositories. So all the clients are in here. Version controlling, pretty important, so I will do this for sure. I will note this down. Go to Discord and we can teach you. Or do that. Maybe Molecular Dev can help you on this. But I will also do a video, of course. Yes, we need that meta objects full video. Yeah, but this is like really advanced stuff. Like I can show you how to really get going with meta objects. For example, this meta object is, you can transform it into a page. So it's crazy. Every lesson is, you can transform into an own page without creating pages and stuff. So, okay, meta objects video, of course, I will do this. Okay. Now I think we have everything. If you have more questions, like I said, come to the community, check it out. Otherwise, subscribe, of course, if you didn't already. I'm really happy about everyone. I thank you for joining, and now my throat is really dry and I need to drink something. It was really fun, and latest when the next editions drop, we do this again, but maybe we can also do more live streams if people want it. So yeah, for this, wherever you are on this world, have a nice day and get to coding and make money, however, or just enjoy working with Shopify. So yeah. See you around, and bye-bye.